Welcome back. Now Audacity does have a workaround when you want to remove a voice from specific audio that has music along with it. Now Audacity states openly that there is no reliable way of separating vocals from a specific audio file, even with these tools. So what we're going to do is we're going to import a file with both vocals as well as music. And our file is now imported. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the portion of the audio where we want to separate out the vocals and the music. We're then going to go to the effects area. We are then going to go to this area that says vocal reduction and isolation. We're then going to select a specific plugin. We can then choose to where we're going to remove the vocals to. And you'll see a drop down arrow and you'll see all of the choices that we have available to us in order to begin working with this file. You're going to choose the one which best reflects your goals for the project. And you're going to click on that goal. What you're then going to do is you're then going to click the preview button so you can listen to the file as it will then be. Once you've chosen the effect that you want, you are then going to click OK. And then Audacity will recreate the file. What you will then do is to save the new project file. And you will then click and save the new project. And you can begin to work with this file in order to get the recording to be exactly what you want by making adjustments to the voice reduction and isolation area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.